Hey there, brilliant people. How are you today? So, today I'm going to show you a three-dimensional model of a water cycle project. And one of my students have done it very beautifully. I was highly impressed by the model that she has made. And look at this one, this 3D model that shows the clouds and the sea and the water converting into vapor. Look at the sun, and the clouds was being made with the help of the cotton, and very well she managed to make the entire hemisphere of the entire model. So let's study this model from the beginning. You can see the clouds being joined together with the small pieces of paper and the sellotape. So let's begin with the water cycle first process. So the first process is the sea and the sand right over here, and due to the excessive heat, the water which is present on the surface gets converted into vapor. So basically the student has tried to say that the evaporation process, that is the first process, takes place more at the sea levels. So the sun has its own impact, provides a lot of heat, water converting into water vapor. So that is what is the phenomenon of the evaporation. So look at this evaporation, right? And in this evaporation, the student has shown that this water, the waves of the water are now converted in form of the vapors, and the sun shining very beautifully, and the written part is also shown over here. You can see that small curves are being made with the help of the paper that shows the water vapor like this one. And this is the first process, that is evaporation. The next process is the cloud formation, that we call it as condensation. So in this process the clouds are formed. So basically she's trying to say that the clouds are being shown by this cotton. So these are the pieces of cotton, and stick with the help of the Fevicol. You can use glue also. And finally the clouds are formed very high above the ground, and they contain water vapor as well, right? Because in condensation the water vapor condenses to form water droplets inside the cloud. Now the last one is the precipitation. In the precipitation, the water droplets, they fall back again in form of the rain. And look at this, the paper cuttings being made very beautifully and again joined like this, and the clouds are very happy to rain off and show the precipitation process. Lightning is also very beautifully shown. So hopefully people, you have seen this 3D model very carefully, and I also expect all other viewers to show their creativity like this. Thank you for watching the video.